Today on Mike's Handy Gadgets, we're cooking 7 creamy yolk soft-boiled eggs in our cast iron skillet. So let's get started. Okay, for our soft-boiled eggs, we're going to need 7 slices of toast. And we're going to use our cookie cutter again here. Yep. And we're going to use one of the ones here in the middle here, probably one of these rings here. And I'll show you what we do with those. Yeah, we're going to take our egg bite mold here and we're going to use our cookie cutter and we size it up on one of the rings there, just like that. Make sure it's a little bit bigger. And then we use this to cut out our toast. Yeah, now I'm going to show you a little trick here. We're going to use one of these pot holders. They're silicone matte type with the little honeycomb design. And when you put that down there and you put your toast on top, it gives a little so that your cookie cutter can cut through it easier. You just kind of rock it around, push down. You just push down, give it a little twist, and out it comes. Just like that. There you go. Perfect. Just push down. Give it a little twist. That's 2. Now we just have to do 5 more. Give it a little twist. And there you have it. Beautiful little tiny little disc shaped toast. Perfect for our soft boiled eggs. Now we're going to save these because we're going to use them. Okay. There you have it, our toast for our soft-boiled eggs. Yeah, to cook our 7 soft-boiled eggs in our cast iron skillet, we're going to need this egg bite mold here that came with our Instant Pot accessory kit. And it also comes with a lid. It's a silicone lid you can use, but we're not going to use that. We're going to also use this. It's an egg trivet that came with that accessory kit. You can use it for hard-boiled eggs, but we're going to put our mold right on there like that and make it easier to get it out of the pan. You can just grab onto it, you know, and pull it right up and out of the pan. There you go. And now all we have to do is get our eggs and oil these up and get ready to start cooking. Okay, now we're going to put a little oil in each one of these little cups. Okay, I'm going to spread that around a little bit, make sure they're coated good. Did I get this one? Yep. Okay, now we're going to crack some grade A large eggs right out of the refrigerator. Okay, now all we have to do is get our cast iron skillet ready and start cooking. That sounds good. Okay, we're going to set our burner to medium low and we're going to add 1.5 cups of water to the pan. And we're going to let that start to simmer. Okay, our pan's starting to simmer here, so we're going to add our eggs. Put them right in there just like this, using our handy trivet there for the eggs. And we're going to go ahead and cover them and let them cook for about 3 minutes. And give them a check. Keep an eye on our yolks and all that. Okay, let's give them a check. It's been 3 minutes. Yeah, they're still a little bit too soft yet, so we'll give them a cover. We'll cover them up a little bit and let them go about another minute to 2. Okay, that's another minute. Let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, okay, They're pretty good. Let's shut off our burner and let's get them out of there. Put them aside and just let them rest a minute. Now all we have to do is put them on some toast. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, let's see how we did here. Oh yeah, they look nice. They're still nice and soft. Yep. Okay, let's put them on some toast. Let's get this off the trivet. And we'll put these over here. Just like that. Now you know what we're going to do? We're going to take our toast and we're going to put it over each one of these. Hopefully they fit. Yeah, they're looking good. Alright, now you know what we're going to do? We're going to take our plate here and we're going to turn it upside down. We're going to put it right on top of there and we're going to flip them right over. And hopefully everything comes out right. And we're going to give those a little squeeze. Each one of them. Make sure they're out of there. And lift them up carefully and see how we did. Oh yeah. Look at that. Here, let me give you a look. See if they're still jiggly. Oh yeah, they're still jiggly. Alright, there. Let's put a little salt on. And a little bit of pepper. I get enough? Yep. Let's cut into one of these here. See how they are. Look at them. Alright. Let's go for it. Let's spin it around so you can see it better. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful soft boiled eggs right there. Look how creamy that is in there. Wow. There you have it, guys. 7 beautiful no peel creamy yolk soft boiled eggs in our cast iron skillet. You can't beat that right there. Yeah, you know what would go good with that right there? A whole pot of coffee. And then you better invite some guests or friends. That sounds good.